Okay, so what is the final? What was the final answer? I think. What is the final answer? What is the solution you got then? Yt is equal to
909.70.
no, not like that. It will be like 1.005 raised to t, na?
Ha.
Y at 0. And y at 0 is my 500, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
500. So as you change t, your answer will change. So what year we have taught?
Ma'am,
What is the, yeah.
1.015 y up to.
Yeah, everybody got this one, no? Yt is equal to
Yes,
1.005 raised to t 5 into 500. This y0 is nothing but my 500. Now, what was the question that 10 years, after 10 years, na?
Ha.
So how much do we have in bank after 10 years? So what is your answer? Means what you did?
$909.70.
No. Y at 10 or what you did?
Y at 120.
Y at, yes, y at 120 because 10 years is nothing but equal to 120
120
months.
months. Yes.
Yeah, because my t is in months. This one, okay. So
Yes.
I have to go for y at 120, and that will be my after 10 years value of the investment. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
further question was how long does it take for our money to double? So what you did there? How long does it take for our money to double? So double means 1,000, na?
1,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
Already I was having $500 investment, and double means I want my answer should be 1,000. So let me clear. So I want here 1,000, which is equal to what? 1.005 raised to t into 500, right?
500.
So
Yes.
that t I want to find. Is the same, na? Double means
Yes.
after that many months my money will be double. Okay, so now you can do these calculations. Here 500,000 means here 2, 1.005 raised to t. So what should be t? T will be nobody solved.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is t?
मॅडम मी वेगळ्या पद्धतीने सोडवले.
Huh?
मी वेगळ्या पद्धतीने सोडवले.
कसं सोडवलं?
PDF सेंड केली तुम्हाला मॅडम.
Okay, okay. So I will check it, but वेगळ्या पद्धतीने म्हणजे कसं डबल होण्यासाठी किती वेळ लागेल असंच आहे ना?
11.9 years.
11.9 years.
11.5 years.
11.5 years. No. How you solved that? PDF आता शेअर केली का मला? कुठे शेअर केली?
WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
क्वार्टर्स नाही आहे ना इथे. You have taken
Month.
10 into 4. No 10 into 4, no? 12 here. And I not told you to solve with interest and all that thing. Okay, you have to use this method only. because we are seeing
Okay.
applications of difference equation.
Okay, ma'am.
You have taken, I think, quarterly, but it is given monthly annual interest rate. Okay, we will discuss that on WhatsApp, that example, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so now we will go to next question. Next example. So this is example in physics. So what is this example? It is observed that that the decrease in the mass of a radioactive substance over a fixed time period is proportional to the mass that was present at the beginning of the time period. If the half-life of radium is 1600 years, we need to find a formula for its mass as a function of time. So everybody read this question properly and try to understand what we want to find. Everybody can see this example now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
تمام.
so what should be my function here? There, in previous example, we have started with let y of t be the value of the investment after t quarters, right? Now here, what I have to start with? Let m of t. What I want to find? I want to find mass as a function of time. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I will start with m of t. Let m of t be the mass of what? Of which substance? Of radium, or you can say radioactive substance. Okay. Mass of radioactive substance after t years, say. Okay. So we will start with a function m of t. You can start with y of t also, but since we are taking mass, so I am just changing it m of t. Okay, there is no problem. Yt also you can take, or m of t also you can take. So I have started with let m of t be the mass of a radioactive substance after t years. So what is the observation? The decrease in the mass of a radioactive substance over a fixed time period is proportional to the mass that was present at the beginning of the time period. So what should be my m of t plus 1? M of t plus 1. What is my m of t plus 1 then?
M of t.
Decrease in the mass. Decrease in the mass means whatever I was having mass, next time it will decrease, right?
Yes.
So decrease in the mass means if I subtract next year value minus previous year value. Where is t now? Pen. Yes. So decrease means it will be like this, right? M of t plus 1 minus m of t. That will be my decrease in the mass, right? Yeah. So what it has been given? It is proportional to the mass that was present at the beginning of the time period. So proportional means some k times, and it is proportional to the mass that was present at the beginning of the time period. So beginning of the time period means again m of t. Beginning
of
time
t.
period is my mass is m of t. Okay, so directly proportional, so k, and since it is decreased, so my proportional constant I will consider as minus. K is any proportionality constant. Proportionality. Constant. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
m of t plus 1 minus m of t is nothing but minus k times m of t. Is that okay, this equation for everyone?
No, ma'am.
दिसत नाही.
No, ma'am.
नाही दिसत आहे.
दिसत नाही.
नाही.
आता काय दिसते तुम्हाला?
M of
M of t plus 1.
Only
M of t plus 1.
minus m of t,
Yes.
which is equal to minus k times m of t.
नाही दिसत.
No, ma'am.
नाही, ma'am.
असं कसं?
No, ma'am.
Wait, no. Now what is on the screen?
M of
Let M of t be the mass of the radioactive substance.
Yes.
After T years.
I'm drawing, but why it is not coming? Yes. Now
M of T plus 1
Yeah.
is equal to
T plus 1 equals to
okay. So earlier it was selected as epic pen, so it was not showing. Okay, now m of t plus 1 is equal to sorry, not equal to, I want here because degree is in mass. So m of t plus 1 minus m of t, decrease in the mass, is directly proportional to mass which was present at the beginning. Is that okay?
yes.
Yes. So
yes, ma'am.
where k is any proportionality
yes.
constant. Okay, I'm not writing that one now. Or let's say kb positive constant. Since I have taken here minus, so I am saying kb positive constant. Is that okay? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so what I will get here, m of t plus 1 will
Yes.
be, m of t plus 1 will be my,
M
what
of
will be
t
this?
minus k times M of t.
1 minus k times m of
K
t.
Yeah.
M of t.
That will be my equation, where t will be
Yes, ma'am.
0, 1, 2, and so on, right? Now using iterations like what we did in previous example, same thing if I apply, what will be my m of t then? What will be my m of 1? M of 1 will be 1 minus k m at 0, right? M
Yes,
at
ma'am.
2 will be 1 minus k m at 1.
1.
But m at 1 is again 1 minus k into m at 0. So it will be 1 minus k raised to square into m at 0, right? So what should be my m of t? Like iterative process, if I apply iterations, what I should get here? 1 minus k raised to
1 minus k raised to t
1
1
minus
minus
k raised to t.
t into
raised to t
m at
into M of
M at
0.
m at 0. And what is given now? Whether m at 0 is given here? Initial mass that was given? No. Right? What is given now? You can read again. Now, extra thing is given if the half-life of radium is 1600 years. So this is given. What is means by half-life? What is mean by half-life? Whatever mass was there, to decrease that mass to the half, it will take 1600 years. Okay, so if its mass is like say m of t, now today after 1600 years it will be m of t by
M of t by 2.
yes. So that is half life. Half life is 1600 years. So what? How can I say? What should be my m at 1600 then? So I will erase this. Okay, you are noting it down. I can erase this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what should be my m at? Sorry, m at 1600.
600.
600. Oh,
1600.
it is m at 0 into 1 minus k raised to 1600, na?
1600.
16.
Yes.
So, and which is nothing but what is that is the half life. Half life means it is
M of t
m at
upon
0
2.
by
0
2.
by 2.
Whatever initial
2.
mass, that is divided by 2. That is nothing but the mass after 1600 years. Is that okay? So
Yes.
now using this equation,
ma'am.
can I find my k, or 1 minus k, you can say? So what will be my 1 minus k? What will be my 1 minus k?
1 minus k.
Here m at 0, 1 minus k raised to 1600. Here m at 0 by 2. So what should be my 1 minus k? M at 0, m at 0. It will cancel because mass is non-zero, right?
1 by 2 raised to
1 by 2 raised to
1 by 2 raised to 1 by 1600.
yeah, 1 by 1600. Is it? That will be my 1 minus k, and then k will be 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 1600. That will be my k. Okay, so from here we have found, from half-life we have found 1 minus k. Is it? So now what is my final solution then? M of t is nothing but what I got here, m at 0 into 1 minus k. 1 minus k raised to something, na? So it will be 1 by
Half raised to
t by
1 by
1600, because it is 1 minus k raised to t. My solution was m at 0 into 1 minus k raised
1 minus k raised to t.
so just I have substituted the value of 1 minus k here, because 1 minus k is 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 1600.
1 by.
So raised to t by 1600. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is my mass after t years. So whatever t they ask, we have to just replace here t, and we have to calculate the value. So initial mass into 1 by 2 raised to t by 1600. That will be the final solution. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will clear this. So I will just show you this mouse that I can use. Yeah, you can see now. Let m of t represent the mass of a radium after t years. Then m of t plus 1 minus m of t will be minus k times m of t. Then m of t plus 1 is this one. And using iteration as previous example, we will get m of t is equal to m at 0 into 1 minus k raised to t. So since half-life is this one, I will get here raised to 1600. This, okay, raised to 1600. And 1 by 2 times m at 0. So we have got this one. I will share this PPT with you. Okay. Now we here again. So you might have solved this problem in 12th or something in calculus or physics textbook by using differential equation method. Like m dash of t is equal to minus k times m of t, rate of change of mass. Derivative we have used here, right? But while using this difference equation, or just we up to now we have used just elementary calculus, elementary algebra, not calculus also. Elementary algebra. Here you can see we are nothing we have used, only like raised to, subtraction, multiplication, and that much only. In this example, we have not used any derivative or difference equation term, but whatever this equation is there, that is nothing but difference equation only. Okay, because m at t plus 1 minus m of t, it is a relation between previous values. Okay, so this is one type of difference equation. This m of t plus 1 minus m of t, I can write as delta m of t. This I can write as, let me select the pen. This I can write as delta m of t. So once it includes delta, it will be like difference equation. Is that okay? So this example?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will go to next example. Next example is a very interesting problem. It is Tower of Hanoi problem. So Hanoi is a city in Vietnam. And there is a saying, or you can say, आख्यायिका माहिती आहे ना सगळ्यांना, गोष्ट किंवा आख्यायिका म्हणतो आपण. तर तिथे एक मंदिर असतं, मंदिर किंवा ते काय म्हणतात, चर्च, तिकडे चर्च असतं समजा. तर त्या चर्च मध्ये एक गोल्डन काय म्हणतो त्याला, पिल्लर, गोल्डन पिल्लर आहे. म्हणजे I will just write it here. Wait. See, like this, some rods has been there, or you can say pillars. Or if you go in Nepal or some Kashi, they are saying about Kashi Vishwanath temple also. This ही गोष्ट ते काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पलची पण सांगता, किंवा टॉवर ऑफ हनोई. ऍक्च्युअली इट इज in city of Hanoi, so that problem has got the name as Tower of Hanoi. So what was the problem? Problem is to find the minimum number of moves, yt, required to move t rings from the first peg to the third peg. Say this is my peg 1, this is peg 2, and say this is peg 3. Peg म्हणजे just a rod, okay, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण काही रिंग्स ठेवू शकतो. लहान मुलांचं खेळणं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना, ते रिंग्स असलेलं कलर कलरचं. लहान मुलांना रिंग्स असं टाकायला सांगतात, येल्लो, रेड, एकावर एक असं टाकतात बघा, ते राऊंड असतं, रिंग्स राऊंड असतात त्या. ओके, ते खेळणं सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे का लहान मुलांचं?
हो मॅडम.
Yeah, so
Yes, ma'am.
like you think same. Okay, so what is the problem? Suppose I am having here 1 2 3 4 rings are there, suppose. So what was that problem? Like we are having 3 rods, and in one rod I am having that 64 rings. आता इथे 4 आहेत, पण suppose it is 64 rings, golden rings or disc, golden disc आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. तर what is the problem? किती मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मूव्स मध्ये मी हे सेकंड मध्ये किंवा थर्ड मध्ये कोणत्याही एकामध्ये टाकू, ट्रान्सफर करायचे आहेत मला. या सगळ्या रिंग्स, 64 रिंग्स, आय नीड टू ट्रान्सफर टू सेकंड और थर्ड. सपोज आय वॉन्ट टू ट्रान्सफर इट टू थर्ड using this one more rod. But what is the there are conditions also, restriction. Only one ring I can move at a time. एकच रिंग मी एका वेळेला मूव्ह करू शकते आणि छोट्या रिंगवर मोठी रिंग नाही ठेवू शकत. ओके, म्हणजे सपोज इफ I select this ring, first ring, so if I keep here that smaller ring, then next ring, this ring I will keep over here, that is bigger. Okay, now this small ring I will keep here. ओके, म्हणजे इथे काहीच नसेल. ओके, हे कळतंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
तर
Yes, ma'am.
what are the conditions? I cannot keep bigger ring on smaller ring, and I can move only one ring at a time. So in how many moves I will require to transfer all 64 rings to the from peg 1 to peg 3, peg 1 to peg 3. तर समजा आता मी I will clear all the things. Suppose माझ्याकडे एकच रिंग आहे. So how many moves I will require?
One move.
Only one move, no? Peg 1, peg 3. So there is nothing. So for n is equal to 1, number of moves will be 1 only. Okay, y at n will be 1 only. So if I have two rings, so how I will do? If I transfer the smaller ring to here, then I cannot transfer bigger ring over that. So what I will do? First smaller ring I will keep in second, then
Bigger
that
one is third, in
second
third.
ring I will keep in third, and then
Third. And then second.
okay. So my sequence will be like 1 to 2, then
2 to 3.
no,
1 to 3.
1 to 3, and then 2 to 3. Okay, so in 3 number of moves I can transfer 2 rings from peg 1 to peg 3. Okay, so minimum number of moves are like this, 3. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So for n is equal to 2, I will require y at n is equal to 3 minimum number of moves. Now if I have 3 rings, so first I will transfer 1 to
1 to 2. 2.
2, then
2 to
2.
1 to 3.
if I transfer from 1 to 2, then bigger will be here.
Yes. 1 to 3.
1 to 3. Then smaller. I cannot keep this third ring on here or here because this is bigger one than this 2. So
2 to 3.
only is 2 to 3. But the third ring also I want to move. So what I will do again?
1 to 2. 1 to 2.
1 to 2.
2.
Then
1 to 2. Then 3 to 1. 3 to 1.
so
Then 3 to 2. 3 to 2.
3 to 2.
Then 1 to 2.
1 to 2. Whether I am transferring all rings?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody is getting this?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, time is running out. So what I will do, I will schedule another meeting. Okay, and you join to that meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will continue this until it stops on its own. Then I will send you again invitation to this one, WhatsApp. Okay, so everybody is getting this problem. I think for n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, there is no problem. But for n is equal to 3, some of you might be facing problem. What is going on? So what I will do, I will make it colorful also I can do, or I will show you animation only from. Okay, wait. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you
Yes,
can see?
ma'am.
Google, no? Google Chrome, Google?
No, ma'am.
No. What is
Tower of Hanoi
that one?
problem this is it.
Okay, okay. So I have to share my screen. Okay, anyhow, 1 minute is left, so we will continue to another Zoom meeting. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.